All right, you nines, welcome. It is Tuesday, the 28th of April, and we find ourselves still at the beginning of week 3 of term 2. And just a quick update for civics. As normal, all of your work for civics and for history goes up here into your Google Classroom, and you'll see when you open it that both of them have an assignment that is due this Friday. So, for the last 2 weeks, your civics learning has been the instructions to work on a report of the Victorian Parliament and to continue working on your 4-company ASX game. Now, the ASX game does not close until about the 20th of May, so you've still got a couple of weeks to go for that. So make sure that you're plugging away, that you're investing, that you're researching your chosen company, and you're using the ASX website to write up that report. With your Victorian Parliament, because it is due this Friday, this really needs to be pretty close to being completed. All the instructions are here in the assignment tab. It's the second announcement from the top of your Google Classroom. You click through on that, you click on instructions, and it takes you through to the instructions page, and you've got your links down the bottom. Now, because we couldn't do our normal excursion to the Victorian Parliament, we're having to use this website. What we basically want you to do is to write a 300-word report. Remember, you get 10% grace because that's what they give you at university. So you can go to 330 words, you can go to 270 words, but we want you to keep it tight and on point, no wasted words. You need to explain what the role and function is of the Victorian Parliament. Why is it there? What does it do? You need to explain what happens in the Victorian Parliament. Explain how an idea becomes a bill, becomes a law. You need to explain who some individuals are who work there. You could talk about the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. You could talk about the President of the Legislative Council. You could talk about the Master-at-Arms. You could talk about the clerks of the court. You could talk about any of the roles that are needed to be performed in order for the Victorian Parliament to function. Why is it there? What does it do? How does an idea become a bill, become a law? What are some of the roles that are needed to be performed for the Victorian Parliament to function? All of this information is found. There's a brief introductory video there. There's a more in-depth assignment sheet there. I think it also has your marking rubric. But this link here, the Parliament of Victoria link, will take you to the website that gives you all the information, the Parliament of Victoria website. Now, if you look on the tab, so I was going to say drop down box. Now, if you look at the little tabs at the top, you start at home, the yellow one, you move across, and there's one here that says about Parliament. You click on that link, and it takes you through to this drop down box over here, and this basically gives you every bit of information that you could want about the Victorian Parliament, including how a law is made, parliamentary system is, how the parliament's organised, the building itself, and people in parliament. Everything you could want is here. Make sure that you've got that report written up and submitted before Friday, and that if you're having any troubles, you're contacting myself or Miss Osterman. So that is week 3 in Year 9 Civics. Good luck, God bless, look forward to seeing all the wonderful work that you have.